Hello everyone. So we have no challenge for September 23 right now. I just get this challenge in the CSS Battle. So if you go back here, we still haven't have the September 23. And I get this challenge in here in the CSS battles. Anyway, let's start. First off with a circle, name this circle an empty attribute and select it here, down here, circle. My first attempt of this is over 10 minutes. It has a total of 11 minutes, so re I recapture myself. I start a video again from the start because I don't want 11 minutes. We must achieve under 10 minutes. Anyway, let's center this div position absolute margin auto inset 0 and put border radius to achieve the rounded corner. Border radius is 100% and then box shadow to create the shadow effect. 0 horizontal, vertical, and spread are 0. The blur spread, and the size is, for now, let's create 30 pixel. Nah, I already know it's 30 pixel. Then the color is this one because I already did this. Then comma for the second box shadow. Copy this first shadow and paste it here. So the second box shadow is this dark color with a width of like 50 pixel. Remove the comma for us to see the visual. Okay, it's too much. 30 pixel is big, so for the first box shadow it must be 25. Oh wait, why is it why is it not getting smaller? 30. So the second is 30 and the first is 20. What? Okay, my mistake. The height is must be 90 pixel. This circle itself. Okay, and then the second box shadow looks okay. Okay, the second box shadow has a color of this dark. Yes. And the third box shadow has the color of this light green. Okay, now I get it. Then let's make this second box shadow bigger. This one. Much increase it to 80, 70. Okay, that's enough. Then create a third box shadow that would represent the last circle here. As you noticed, we are creating a series of box shadow instead of creating elements. Creating 4 elements like 4 circles. Yeah, we are taking advantage of this property called box shadow. This is really good. You should try this. I really recommend this in your styling. Then the last part is this rectangle. So let's create an element here named rect and copy this circle rule here, paste it, and rename this to rect. Our rect has our rectangle has no radius, so let's remove this radius, and it has only one shadow on the bottom. And what else? The width is much more bigger than the height, so let's put 150 pixel for the width, and the height is like 30 pixel. Then the color is this dark green. Now it's showing in the center. We don't want that on the center. We wanna push this on the top. So let's create a custom positions here. Top, bottom, left, bottom, and right. Set the, wait, this is semicolon. Set the top to negative value to push this to the top. So 120 and 130 maybe, and let's reduce the height by 10 pixel. Move this to the top more. Let's check the diff, see the difference. This is so much fine compared to this earlier. Okay, the width is 140 and the height, let's increase this by 10 pixel and move this to the top by 10 pixel. It's too much, 40. Why is it? Yeah. Now we have a huge height. Let's decrease by 5 pixel and move this to the bottom by 10 pixel. Move up by 5 pixel. Okay. Okay, it's close. Now let's create a box shadow out of this. This has the same size as the main element here. This one. And let's move this to the bottom. So positive value 120 pixel. No, this is for the horizontal. We need to change the vertical, not the horizontal pixel. Wait, why isn't it? It's not showing again. This is a drag. We are lowbotting. Lowbotting. Wait, 60%. Let me charge it. I don't want to off. We are lowbotting. Yeah, okay, let's continue. We already used 7 minutes. Where were we? The shadow is not, the box shadow is not appearing on the bottom side here. What might be the problem? Maybe something like this. Let's copy this. Not really good. What's wrong with this? Or maybe 120 pixel is too much. No way, no way. Box shadow 0. For now 50 pixel 0. Okay, now it's showing. Why isn't it showing earlier? 0 and the color is 0. This is 0. This dark green. Okay, now let's push this to the bottom a bit more. 30. Okay, and let's make this first box shadow thicker. You can see here, make this 30 pixel. Now it's too much thickness. Let's reduce by 25. Okay, now it's not like moving, only the shadow on this rectangle. So let's push this to the top by 10 pixel. I mean bottom to. Let's push this to bottom to the top by 5 pixels. Okay, I'm good with this. Yeah, we almost forgot the last box shadow, which would represent the background. So copy this one here, this light color, paste it on the here last, the structure tab, shift tab, and make this just big enough to occupy the space. Okay, submit. We got 98.2. Yeah, the time is almost 10 minutes. Thank you.